Hello guys, welcome back to SheCodes. So in our SQL series of solving LeetCode questions, I'm back with another brand new question, biggest single number. So let's dive into the question. So in this question, I have a table my numbers having a column num, okay, with the type int. So this table contains all the numbers, okay, and we do not have a primary key over here in this table. So the question says that a single number is a number that appeared only once in my numbers table. Okay, fine. And what we have to do is we have to find the largest single number among all the single numbers. Okay, and if there is no single number, then report null. Okay, fine. So we have this example over here. So this example table contains all the numbers, out of which 6 is the only largest single number. Okay, we have example number 2 over here, where we have our numbers table and there is no single number out from this table. So let's start with the SQL query for the same, because the question is very simple. Okay, so first we will do is we will filter out all the single number from the question. Okay, so for that we will write query select num from my numbers table. Okay, grouping it. Okay, we will group the num, group by num, okay, having count of what? Num is equal to 1. So this query will return us all the numbers which is having count num. If we run it and check, so okay, so as you can see, we got all the numbers which are single numbers from the table. Okay, 1 3 4 5 6. Okay, so we got all the single number from the table. Now what we have to do is we have to calculate the largest number from these single numbers. So we will keep this as a subquery. Okay, and then we will use our max function. Okay, this max function will return us the maximum value, okay, as num from this query. Okay, so this will act as subquery which all the single number. This subquery will calculate all the single numbers, and then this will calculate the maximum number out of all the single numbers, and we will name it as unique number. So let's run it and check if it is correct or not. Okay. Over here it is in hyphen. It should be okay. So our query is correct. We got our expected output. Let's submit it. Do practice the same question in your LeetCode. It is so simple. And let me know in comment section. Do like the video. Subscribe SheCodes. Bye bye. Happy coding.